Today, we're diving into the exciting world of action cameras and exploring the best budget options of 2023. Whether you're a thrill seeker, an aspiring vlogger, or simply want to capture your adventures without breaking the bank, we've got you covered. First, the GoPro Hero 9 is an absolute game changer when it comes to action cameras. Packed with impressive features and advanced technology, it is the perfect companion for capturing your thrilling adventures. First and foremost, the Hero 9's 5K video capability sets a new standard for video quality. With up to 5K resolution, it delivers stunningly detailed footage, even when you zoom in. Whether you're capturing high-speed action or breathtaking landscape. When it comes to photography, the Hero 9 shines with its 20-megapixel photo with Super Photo feature. This allows you to capture professional quality photos with impeccable clarity. What's even better is that the Hero 9 automatically selects the best image processing settings for you through Super Photo, ensuring that each photo is optimized for outstanding results. The Hero 9 introduces a new and improved user interface with its front display and larger rear touchscreen. The rear touchscreen provides easy access to camera controls and settings, while the touch zoom feature allows you to adjust your zoom level effortlessly. Additionally, the dazzling front display provides real-time information and simplifies the framing of shots, making it an intuitive and user-friendly experience. The Hero 9 takes your live streaming game to the next level with its Live Streaming Plus webcam feature. You can now stream your adventures in 1080p resolution directly to your favorite social media platforms, while enjoying the benefits of hyper-smooth stabilization. This ensures that your footage remains steady and smooth even during live broadcasts, providing professional quality results. When it comes to stabilization, the Hero 9 is a true superstar with its Hypersmooth 3.0 technology. This advanced video stabilization feature sets a new benchmark in the industry, delivering the ultimate smoothness in your footage. Whether you're engaged in high-intensity activities or capturing fast-paced action, the Hero 9 ensures that your videos are incredibly stable, free from shakes, and visually pleasing. Finally, the Hero 9 introduces Time Warp 3.0, which enables you to create mesmerizing time-lapse scenes as you move. Whether you're on the road, on foot, or exploring nature, Time Warp 3.0 captures the essence of your journey in a captivating and dynamic manner. The ability to adjust the speed of your time-lapses adds an artistic touch, allowing you to create unique and engaging content. Next, the aficionado Brave 7 LE action camera is a versatile and reliable companion for capturing your adventures. One of the standout features of the Brave 7 LE is its weatherproof design. With an IPX7 water-resistant rating, this camera can withstand rain, snow, and water splashing, providing peace of mind during your outdoor excursions. Additionally, the included waterproof housing extends its underwater capabilities, allowing you to dive down to an impressive depth of 131 feet 40 m. So, whether you're hiking through a rainforest or exploring the depths of the ocean, the Brave 7 LE can capture your moments with confidence. The convenient dual-display design of the Brave 7 LE enhances your filming experience. With two color screens, you can easily switch between back and front views, enabling you to frame your shots and monitor your recordings with ease. The vivid front screen is perfect for selfies and vlogging, while the 2-inch back touchscreen provides intuitive control and navigation. This dual display setup ensures that you can capture the perfect angle and never miss a moment. When it comes to video and photo quality, the Brave 7 LE delivers impressive results. It can shoot hyper-quality 4K video at 30 frames per second, allowing you to capture your adventures with stunning clarity and detail. The 20-megapixel photo capability ensures that every shot is vibrant and sharp, preserving all the important details of your surroundings. Whether you're recording fast-paced action or capturing breathtaking landscapes, the Brave 7 LE ensures that your footage is of the highest quality. To further enhance the stability of your recordings, the Brave 7 LE is equipped with Electronic Image Stabilization 2.0. This advanced stabilization technology utilizes a 6-axis system, providing gimbal-like stabilization and significantly improving the stability and fluency of your footage. In conclusion, the aficionado Brave 7 LE is a weatherproof action camera that excels in various filming scenarios. Its dual-display design, 4K video capability, and 20-megapixel photo quality make it a powerful tool for capturing your adventures. Next, the DJI Action 2 sets a new standard in action cameras with its innovative features and magnetic design, providing a seamless and creative experience for capturing life on the go. One of the standout features of the Action 2 is its magnetic design, which allows you to effortlessly switch out accessories. With a simple snap-on mechanism, you can easily attach a range of diverse accessories to explore new and creative ways of filming your adventures. Whether you want to mount it on a helmet, attach it to a selfie stick, or use any other accessory, the Action 2's magnetic design makes it quick and convenient to adapt to any situation. When it comes to portability, the DJI Action 2 excels. It is ultra-compact and takes up minimal space in your travel bag, making it a perfect companion for your adventures. The magnetic lanyard and magnetic headband accessories allow you to wear the lightweight camera on your head or chest effortlessly. The footage captured by the DJI Action 2 speaks for itself. It records stunningly smooth 4K video at an impressive 120 frames per second, delivering richer details than ever before. The ultra-wide field of view allows you to capture more of your surroundings, providing a truly immersive experience for both you and your viewers. Whether you're exploring beautiful landscapes or engaging in fast-paced activities, the Action 2 ensures that you capture every exciting moment with exceptional clarity. The Action 2 is built to withstand your aquatic adventures as well. It is robust and waterproof right out of the box, allowing you to capture all the action even in wet environments. The camera unit is waterproof up to 10 meters, and when paired with the waterproof case, it can go as deep as 60 meters. In conclusion, the DJI Action 2 is a versatile and powerful action camera that offers an exceptional filming experience. Its innovative magnetic design allows for easy accessory swapping, while its ultra-compact size and wearable options make it convenient for capturing on the go. And last, the Insta360 ONE RS 4K action camera is a rugged and durable device that delivers outstanding performance for capturing high-quality videos and photos. With its brand new 1.2-inch 48-megapixel image sensor, the ONE RS 4K allows you to shoot incredibly detailed videos and photos. The 4K boost lens enhances the image quality, ensuring that your footage is sharp and vibrant. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or stunning landscapes, this camera excels with its 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, delivering smooth and immersive visuals. One of the standout features of the ONE RS 4K is its flow state stabilization. Thanks to the new RS core, the camera incorporates advanced stabilization technology that provides buttery smooth shots, regardless of the action. The camera's active HDR and 6K widescreen modes elevate your shots to the next level. Active HDR enhances the dynamic range of your photos and videos, allowing you to capture stunning details in both bright and dark areas. The 6K widescreen mode expands your field of view, giving your shots a more immersive and cinematic feel. One of the unique features of the Insta360 ONE RS 4K is its interchangeable lens design. It is the only action camera on the market that allows you to swap lenses, providing you with the flexibility to upgrade and explore different shooting styles. You can purchase additional lenses, such as the ultra-creative 360 lens, to unlock new creative possibilities and capture unique perspectives. In conclusion, the Insta360 ONE RS 4K is a rugged and versatile action camera that delivers exceptional performance. With its 4K resolution, 48-megapixel image sensor, and 4K boost lens, it captures stunningly detailed videos and photos. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an adventurous enthusiast, the Insta360 ONE RS 4K is a reliable and feature-packed action camera that will exceed your expectations. And that concludes our roundup of the best budget action cameras of 2023. We hope you found this video helpful in finding your next action camera. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information and pricing. Thanks for watching.